In a world where time is money, high-speed data transfer is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. It's the lifeblood of productivity, the backbone of efficiency, the secret weapon of tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. And when it comes to high-speed data transfer, one product stands out among the rest, the ORICO UFSD. Meet the ORICO UFSD, a powerhouse flash drive designed for speed, reliability, and convenience. This ultimate flash drive boasts a high-speed USB 3.2 interface, ensuring rapid data transfer. Its robust build quality ensures longevity, and with wide compatibility, it works seamlessly with numerous devices. But what sets it apart is its large storage capacity, making it your digital ally. With ORICO UFSD, you're not just buying a flash drive, you're investing in a tool that can drastically enhance your digital life. But what makes ORICO UFSD a cut above the rest? It's all about speed, convenience, and adaptability. With its high-speed data transfer rate, ORICO UFSD takes the waiting out of your day. It's user-friendly, making file management a breeze. Not to mention, it's versatile, perfect for both personal and professional use. And let's not forget its robust build and sleek design. It's not just a flash drive that looks good, it's built to last. In essence, ORICO UFSD is more than just a flash drive, it's a reliable companion for your digital needs. To sum it up, ORICO UFSD is a game changer in the world of flash drives. This powerhouse device is equipped with a high-speed USB 3.2 interface, offering wide compatibility across numerous devices. It boasts a large storage capacity, ensuring you never run out of space for your important files. Additionally, its durable design makes it a reliable companion for your digital journey. So if you're looking to elevate your data transfer experience, ORICO UFSD is the way to go. Check out the link in the description below to buy the ORICO UFSD and transform your digital life today. Let's take a closer look at the ORICO UFSD in action. As we transfer a large file, notice the remarkable speed, leaving no room for slow transfers or waiting times. Observe the plug-and-play feature. No complicated installations necessary. Just plug it into your device and you're good to go. Remember the robust design we talked about? It's built to resist physical wear and tear, ensuring a longer lifespan for your flash drive. Seeing is believing, folks. The ORICO UFSD is not just a flash drive, it's a solution to your digital storage needs. Let's say goodbye to storage woes and hello to ORICO UFSD. Ready to transform your digital life with ORICO UFSD? If what you've seen has convinced you, don't hesitate a moment longer. Check out the link in the description below to buy the ORICO UFSD. Don't wait, elevate your data transfer experience with ORICO UFSD today. Remember, it's not just a flash drive, it's your ticket to a seamless, efficient, and ultra-speedy digital experience. Say goodbye to storage woes and hello to ORICO UFSD.